Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and for doing that, here we have the dimensions, and this is the top view of the model and this is the front view, and we will get help from this dimension to design the model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here we have the dimensions, and firstly I have to close this model. For closing the model in SolidWorks, just come here and click on close. Now we have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come here and click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. First thing first, for drawing the sketch, we have to choose a plane. Here we have through a standard plane. It doesn't matter at first which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. Here choose a center point a slot and draw a slot here. So you can say that get close to the origin point. An orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the slot will be connected to the origin point. So draw a slot here and right click and select. Now choose line and draw a horizontal line from the slot, a horizontal line. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line. So I draw a horizontal line, and here I choose 3-point arc and I draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch. Now choose line again and draw and connect the arc to the slot and right click and select. Here we have, I think, yes. Here choose trim entities and trim this part. That's okay. Now choose line, and we have to draw these lines here. So here draw a horizontal line, and here choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and again choose line and draw a vertical line. Now choose again a 3-point arc and draw an arc here. Now choose line and connect the arc to the slot and right click and select. Now we have to apply the relations and the dimensions. The arcs must be tangent to the line, so hold the control button on your keyboard and choose the arc here and the line here and give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here, tangent relation here, tangent relation and tangent relation, and here the arc must be tangent to the line. So you can see the green symbol here, it is tangent relation. It means that the arc here and the line here is tangent, and we don't have to apply the tangent relation anymore. So we have to apply the tangent relation to this line because there is no green symbol here, the symbol of the tangent relation. So in add relation, give the tangent relation. Okay. Now we have to apply the dimension. Choose a smart dimension, and the radius of this arc here is 15 millimeter. And choose again a smart dimension. The dimension of this center line is 80 millimeter. Sorry, yes, 80 millimeter. You can see the color of the lines are turning to black. It means that my sketch is becoming fully defined, but it is not still fully defined because the lines here are still blue and it is still moving. So hold the control button and choose the middle of this line and the origin point, and they must be horizontal. And we have to do the same thing here. The center of this arc must be horizontal to the origin point. The sketch is not still fully defined because we have to apply a dimension. Choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 40 millimeter. And it is an extra dimension. Yes, it is an extra dimension. Hold the control button and choose this arc and the arc here and give it equal relation because they have the same radius. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the origin point is 70 millimeter. 70 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because the line here is still moving. So here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 50 millimeter. So I hold the control button and I choose this arc and the arc here and this one, and I give it equal relation because they have the same radius. The sketch is not still full defined because we have to apply a dimension. Choose a smart dimension, the dimension from this point, and this point is 20 millimeter. The sketch is not still fully defined because it is still moving, yes, and the dimension from this point to the point here is 30 millimeter. The sketch is finally fully defined and everything is black. Now all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. Here come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, right click and you can turn on the feature. Here come to extruded boss and base, and in selected contour, here we have three separated region. So here choose these regions, here and this one, and here is a sketch plane. It must be blind, and you have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter. Don't turn on these two options. We'll go through these options in the other videos, and everything is okay, and click on OK. Now we have to make a hole on this surface, so it doesn't matter, choose this surface or this one. Choose this surface, and here click on a sketch, and in view orientation you can change the view. For example, this view is better, or you can hold the Ctrl and 8 button to get this view. Now choose extrude a slot and draw a slot here, and right click and select to exit the tool. The center of this arc must be concentric to this arc, so hold the Ctrl button and choose this one and the arc here and give it concentric relation. The center of these two arcs will be merged. The sketch is not still full defined because we have to apply dimension. The radius of this arc is 7.5 millimeter. Yes, but the sketch is not still full defined because this arc must be, I think, concentric to this one. Yes, and the sketch is fully defined. Now all we have to do is just draw 3 circles at the center of these arcs. So choose 2-point circle and draw a circle on the model, and choose all of these circles, and we have to, I think, choose all the circles again. Here choose the circles, and in that relation give it equal relation. Now we have to make the circles concentric to the arcs here, so hold the Ctrl button and choose this circle and the arc here and give it concentric relation. The center of the circles will be merged to the arcs. So here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 10 millimeter, and the circle here must be merged, must be concentric to the arc here. So choose these two entities and give it concentric relation, and do the same thing here, concentric relation. Now all we have to do is just make a cut extrude on this model. Come to the feature and choose extruded cut, and in selected contour choose these regions, this one, and this one, and here in direction 1 instead of blind choose through all. It will make a cut extrude through all the model. Don't turn on these two options, and here must be a sketch plane and OK. Yes, you can see here our model is becoming completed, but we have to make another cut extrude on this surface. Choose this surface and click on a sketch, and in view orientation choose this view, and here choose 2-point circle and draw 3 circles on this surface. Draw 3 circles and choose all of these circles, and in that relation give it equal relation. Here choose the circle here and the arc here and give it concentric relation, and do the same thing here, concentric relation and concentric relation. Now here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 20 millimeter. The sketch is full defined and everything is black. Here come to the feature and choose extruded cut, and here must be lined, and in selected contour choose these circles, and the direction 1 must be 10 millimeter, and that's okay. Here click on OK or press the enter button, and here we have the model. Now all we have to do is just apply a color. Here choose boss extrude, and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example to green is okay. Green is much better. Yes, this green yes is better. And here choose these two cut extrude, hold the control button and choose these two cut extrude, and in edit appearance we can change the color to red, for example. And here in view orientation, this view is much better, I think. This view now, you can see here we have many different views. For example, this view, I'm looking for a better view of the model, and this view is much better. Yes, please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch. If you don't know how to make your sketch fully fine, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.